It has been a while, but I was just waiting because pretty much the last update we were saying, or asking, questioning, are you ready for this potential breakout? That will eventually take us to where I believe is $100. This is going to be an incredible push up for Tectum, and we really don't believe this will be our bull market top. This is just the next wave's target. This is what we're expecting by breaking this $46 high. Along the way, I think that we might stumble across this $50 to $67 area of resistance, but if we can clear this area, then it's onwards and upwards to $100, and I really do believe that we will push through this area. This is what the Fibonacci path suggests. If we can flip this into support, we do see those targets, and you can see we actually have some targets at $200. And no, this is not our final bull market target either, so that will come in due time. We need more data on the chart. We find bull market targets using our Fibonacci's, and for the moment you can see we invalidated this bearish path by climbing through the golden pocket, flipping it into support, and meeting our first set of targets. You can see this is something that we predicted in the Discord community back in November time. Yeah, many months ago, we were predicting this move up to around 50, back down to 28. You know, it's a rough move, guys. It's an absolute rough move, but you can see it's pretty much happened exactly as we have been predicting. Maybe a few dollars off here and there, but it's the exact same movement. This is why you need to follow along with the channel. And in fact, guys, you would have known about this whole dump in the first place if you were in the Discord community, which is only $25 a month if you want to try it out. So the links are down below if you want to access more exclusive content, including weekly live streams where I guide you hand in hand. So what we're now expecting, although we have been getting trolled the last few days, because we did get a rejection from here, and I was questioning, are you ready for the breakout? It's totally fine. I'm not changing my stance. I still believe in the breakout to the upside, and this is simply because when you're running into a resistance that we're expecting a breakout of, and we're only coming into it for the very first time, then a rejection is expected. I will always have the last laugh, guys, because I think a bit more long term than the people who are like, oh, did it actually break out when you said? Like, no, it's just setting up a move. Understand that even if we get rejected, as long as we're maintaining $25, this will give up and we will be right at the end of the day and just laugh again. And it is always the case if you stick around long enough. It's just people, sometimes they want the gain to be in the immediate short term. You know, if I make a video and it doesn't happen the next day or the next week, people just run away. But stick around long enough, have enough patience, and you'll see that what I'm saying is not a bunch of waffle. Because if you think that I'm waffling, then you think the Fibonacci's are waffling, and the Fibonacci's do not lie, guys. There's always two paths. I know you don't want to hear it. You only want to hear it's going up, but equally there's always that chance where we could go down at any moment in time, and I will prepare you for that, which was already prepared while we were bottoming out over here in the Discord channel. You can see we will lose this and come down to this level. The moving averages also show this. Lose the 55, come to the 200. You can see that's now in line with this support. But we knew when we first started coming down that this would be the level of support. Look how far away the 200 EMA was. It didn't even exist. So we didn't need this 200 EMA. But with everything that we've learned over the 5 years, we know that if we lose this swing high, this previous swing high as a swing low, you come back to the old swing low. And this 200 EMA has of course appeared during this period and is now in line with this area. So we know that if we ever lose 25, it's down to 17, 18. But as long as we're above 25, and this rejection here has not sent us lower, in fact, just to retest this previous double bottom neckline, to have another go at breaking through. If we fail to break through on this attempt, then yeah, we could be coming back down to this blue box. But I do believe that on this attempt right now, boom, we're going to break through, flip this into support, and see a push through $50. Again, guys, once $50 is support, I'm expecting $100. From today's current price, this will bring a total move of around 225%. So it's very exciting times for Tectum up ahead. Equally, if you were in on the average buy on the chat, we did get in earlier, but of course, as you buy higher, it changes your average price. We were getting in before this range, but this is our average price currently. And until that $100 technical target, This would, of course, be an 800% move, where if you're taking it just from now and just spotting Tectum on the YouTube for the very first time, you'll only experience a 236% move. You're not late whatsoever. Please do understand that. You're not late. While Bitcoin is underneath 70,000, you cannot be late to a crypto. Although, yes, there have been gains that, unfortunately, if you weren't in the Discord, you have missed out on, just like there are so many other gems that have not yet shared on the YouTube. So if you want to take action on those, we do weekly live streams in there as well. So just use the links down below and I'll catch you over there. Expecting Tectum to eventually push through 37, which is the resistance that we're struggling with. And then once that is support, we're expecting $100, bringing a nice gain for us Tectum holders. Cheers, everyone.